Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be removing FRP from Tecno Spark KG7. As you can see, I'm using this to remove it. First, select Tecno, then you type it KG7H. Okay, now you click on FRP reset FRP. Make sure you have your USB installed. Then you turn off the phone. Okay, turn off the phone. After turning off the phone, you have to press the two volume up and volume down all together at once. Then you plug in your USB cable to run it. Okay, so now it has connected. Still waiting. Now you have to remove the USB and reconnect it again for it to continue. You can see I've reconnected mine. Okay, you see, you can try it again. Now it has connected, it's loading. As you can see, now it's done. Okay, I'm making everything fast so that I won't waste too much of your time. Okay, so you see, because of this image error on it, I'll have to redo it, repair the image. You go back, you click on fix dual image error. Okay, then you use the same process again. Turn off the phone, pressing power volume, the two volume, and connect it to connect the phone. As you can see, connected. Doing the same thing, repeat, remove the cable and reconnect again. And now it has been removed successfully. So you can see now the phone is gonna turn on, you see. So now you set it up. Okay, next, and that is it. Okay guys, thank you very much for your time, for watching. Please subscribe, share and comment if this method works for you. Thank you. Please don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, it is done.